Hello guys, in this video we are going to set up an online store based on WordPress WooCommerce. So we are going to use the plugin of WordPress, that is WooCommerce, to set up the online store here. So we are going to follow a list of commands which I have made for the installation part. So these are some commands which we are going to use to set up our online store here. So I have divided these commands into three steps. You can find this Google Drive documents in the description below. So first we'll create a user in the MySQL server. So make sure that you have installed the MySQL server. Otherwise you can find that video in the description of about installing MySQL server. And then after that, when we done with creating the new MySQL user, so after that what we will do, we will create a database for our WordPress installation. I have named it as WordPress 2, as I have already set up a database, that is WordPress. So I have used the name WordPress 2 here. Apart from it, what we will do, we will, after creating the database, we will set up our WordPress online store here. So let's start. So first thing first, we will create our user, that is WordPress user 2. So what you need to do, you need to just open a terminal here, and in this terminal we are going to paste our commands. So first command will be create user and then username @localhost identified by, this is password, root. So you need to copy that, and after copying it you need to paste here. So just first thing first, you need to log into your SQL server as root. So just type sudo and mysql. After that it will ask your password, just provide the password, and here you are as the root privileges. So what you have copied, that command from here, just paste it here, and I have pasted it, and it said query is okay. So it has created a user, WordPress user 2, and after that just grant all privileges of creating databases and fetching records and all that. All privileges provide to WordPress user 2 with grant option. So copy that command and paste it here. After that, flush all privileges, and query okay. So we have done that part, creating user. So what we need to do, we need to exit it. We are out of the MySQL server. Now log into the MySQL server with the user which we have just created, MySQL -u, and then username is WordPress user 2, WordPress user 2, and -p, and provide the password which we have defined as root. So enter root here, and you are here. You are now logged in as WordPress user 2. So you need to create a database here. Create a database with this command, create database WordPress 2. Just paste it here and provide a semicolon, and it says that database is created. And after creating the database, what we will do, we will set up our WordPress store. So just type here exit and get out of the MySQL server, and just go to HTML folder located in var www. So cd/var www/html. Here you are in the HTML directory, and you can install it here also. Otherwise just create a folder, as I have already a WordPress installation here. As you can see, it's this WordPress. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a folder named as videos. So mkdir make directory videos, and after creating a folder named as videos, I am going to jump into that folder cd videos, and then in that folder what I will do, I will just use this command wget and the latest version of WordPress. So I will use this command to get the latest version of WordPress here, and now it's downloading latest star.gz. After this command, when it will get downloaded, we will we will unzip this folder. So just copy this command, and it's done. Yeah, it's done here. So paste it here, and it's unzipped, and copy next command and paste it here to provide the necessary permissions. Now next command will be renaming the config.sample.php file with wp-config.php. so paste it here. Yes, and after that we need to open that wp-config.php file, and in that file we need to do some necessary changes. Okay, so I think it's not copied, and I have opened that with the gedit. So in that we can find some variables as db name, or I can say that some constant as db name, db user. So we need to modify that. So what db name is a reference of database name. So database name is WordPress 2. Yeah, and db user is WordPress user 2, and db password is root, and db host will be localhost. So I will save that file, and what I will do, I will jump to the next command, and we will run this command to enable mode of rewrite. Okay, so I will paste it here. After that I will restart the Apache 2 server, and after that I will jump into the what I need to do, I just want to make sure that the things which I have changed in wp-config.php are saved or not. I want to check it. So I'm just opening that file again. Yeah, it's changed. So I'm cancelling this file. So what I need to do, I need to jump into that folder. Yeah, I'm already in this folder. So I need to just provide necessary permissions to this videos folder. Just paste the last command here. Yes. So actually we need to provide this to WordPress folder. WordPress. Yes, and copy this command, and yeah, now it's done. So what we need to do, we will go to our browser and type localhost slash localhost slash I think videos slash WordPress, and I will hit enter, and our WordPress installation is finished. It is asking us to choose the necessary language. which I will choose as English and press continue. And the site title will be, for now I'll making it WordPress 2. Username will be WordPress user 2. Password will be, I will provide the password as root, and I will say that confirm the use of weak password, and I will provide my email as WordPress user2@gmail.com, and I will install WordPress. And yes, when I will hit the login button, I will be redirected here to the login page, and then I will hit the login button again, and that's our WordPress installation is finished. Thanks for watching this video.